All right, it is Tuesday. It is December 15th. The market will be closing in about a half hour. It's 3:30 today. A little bit different day today. Not every day is the same type of moves. You get all kinds of different moves. CCM, Concord Medical. Look at this. It's exploding out of nowhere. There's a late day mover. ANCN. Look at this 3-minute candle. This one from 150 all the way to 450. Look at this straight up. Get it a 5-minute. One big candle. Now that's what I'm talking about when a move moves straight up, too high to low. This has already made a big move there. And then it came down. Okay, what's going to do? Like drift down like this? No, it drifted down and bounced. So it did get a good bounce at 4. Then we double top right here. Look, it's 1, 2, and that's it. Fade. That's what I mean when your move starts up here and then comes down. Yeah, you could get a bounce. You get a small bounce near the open, a little bit after, and then we went up and then it faded. So it wasn't just this and then fade. This had a bounce and fade. They put in a little move there and then they faded it. All right, BCDA. Excuse me. Look at this over 5. Let's get a 10-minute. Yeah, this moved yesterday. Look at this move. Beautiful move. Then came back. It didn't really fade all the way. So this held pretty much like 4:15. And then this went right above 5. Look at this. Now, the thing you see here, this is a little bit tougher move. The 13 is above the 20. Here it's bouncing, bouncing. That little hammer right there was a good sign this is going up because it went all the way back up to that 20 EMA. And then this rode up to 850 plus. Turned into a really good long today, then feed it now. So we just had the loop all the way up. SLDB, go back to the 5-minute. This is a little bit tougher. 38,000, good volume. Next line's 525, 650, and then it's faded down. So it's a straight up move on that. Quad, little late day move. QLGN, 370, 460, not a bad move. Yeah, once this got above 375, it really took off. ELYS, 330 all the way to 440 plus. And then bounce. This is straight up. When you say move that fast, it's straight up momentum. See that? Very straight momentum. Here's Pola Power. This moved before back in the daily charts. This one's a 4. 450, and then your moving average is coming up. Pretty much became like a triangle, then exploded up to 525. So not a bad long there. But the volume is pretty low here. Look at this. There's like no volume. That was the only problem. ARVN, the former mover. Here, see this? And it's above. As soon as this candle broke above, and this, and then, there's your 62 line. Way above the 72, 72.70. And then it's drifted off. Not drifted off, really gained the 74 plus. It's not a bad long there. So there was a sign here, right here. When it broke that triangle and then broke up. RVP, pretty straight up. Yeah, the moves are a little bit tougher today. It wasn't, you had some good moves, but they developed a little bit later. Some of them are, the consistency was off. And this VVPR, this is oversold here. This could come back up. 680 all the way to 760. OCX, strong move pre-market. Yeah, there's the bounce again. It's going to be a bounce for the open right here near 8. Look at this. Then fade it down. Total fade. And that's what happens. You get to move here. Either see it'll bounce, maybe I'll try again, then it fades. That's when the move happens too early. PVXL fade. FTAC not bad, about 375, 435. SPWR. Oh, there's 2250. Straight loan to 26. That's a really good loan there. I mean, there's nothing here. It's just very smooth. You know, right here, it could have maybe dropped, tested this. This kept going. Incredible long. Just down on the list, too. So JKS Solar, you had to move in. Now here's your move right here, 55. Look at that. Came down, you played line to line. You can make it a tighter line here. Yeah, it's pretty tight. Give it room here. It's a big $1 move. And look at this. And then straight long there. 55. Yeah, if you play 100, it's almost like 750. $200 shares like $1,500. Here's Boozy, moved down, moved up. TGGX. EQ, Nova. All right. So quick runners today, not the best of runners. Yeah, a lot of stocks below 10. ANCN, you know, faded. ECDI was decent. MBES was okay. There's some down the list. Nothing. Top gainers were, yeah, not a lot of gainers is held in the top, very top of the list. Down the list are some movers, so different, definitely different type of day. Dow Jones is up 304. S&P is up 39. NASDAQ plus 127. Small caps plus 37. VIX 2319 down 6%. Gold's up 1856. Silver 2463. Crude 47.59 is up 1.28%. Look at the SPY here. See the big move here. And then it looks like we're going to go down. It's holding up again. Still holding up here. UVXY. Yeah, let's try to get over this moving average. Looks like it's trying to turn. I mean, if this comes back down again, then, you know, it's not the move yet. It's not the move up. Here's the VIX trying to get above, you know, 25, 24.75. Big candle today. You know, 4 hours come down. We might bounce from these moving averages. We'll see on that. Here's DFM back in June, that big move. This still is in near to 23.6, which is almost 21. So this moved all the way up. And then came back down. Now it's still crossing down. So sort of a mixed signal now. It's going to bounce up again. You got a 4 hours cross down. All right, let's look at some others. AMD. This is stocks I had saved here. Yeah, ever since the November move, this took off. Great long. AMC with closings again. This is getting crushed. INTC trying to move up. VLDR. Look at this intraday. It's got smoked. It went all the way up to 22 and came all the way back. See that? It's a shooting star candle. Really volatile. NAC is buried, 31 cents. Stock could be done. There's DraftKings. It's still like hovering here. Ultra Group all the way up. Workhorse trying to come back, fill this gap here. Stochastics rising up. Here's GameStop. You had the big run up, gap down. It's at a 13, very oversold. This gap above, I like it as a long here. That's a good candle today too. This is getting smoked. Highland Group, Highland Holdings. CCJ was very bullish. Here's a Haynes brand trying to fill that gap. Sort of sliding down, which is like a little flag, and this will break up. eBay, HPQ. And here is BE Energy, Bloom Energy. PEIX is doing nothing. We're going sideways, sideways. Run had to move all the way up. Came all the way back. The low is still getting higher now. Big move today in that candle. Pick made him move all the way up to 18. This is dropping hard. AMAT. FTI. FLDM trying to come up. There's Party City. So basically you have a big rising wedge here. There's your, just using moving averages. Look at this. Way high up here. This is doing this little crossback, overbought, buried, and I don't like it up here. If you got it down here, that's a home run trade. There's a great long from November, like a lot of stocks. There's Overstock trying to come up. Clean spark. Look at this. All these plays from November have exploded. Like back here in July, August, look at this. Down. Just exploded up. But you don't want to buy up there. It's just way too overbought at this point. Next move is going to be down. There's First Energy. Called this here. Look at this move. After it did this, then it came back. It's a falling wedge. 27, started to creep out. And there's the move, low to high. Should have played that in a swing. Wasn't even looking at it. Looking at more of like day trades. Because this time of year, day trades are killers. There's parts. This might come back up. LCA is coming down. GCX is doing nothing, just fading right now. QRX. There it is, the move here, fill the gap. Just want to get a big part of the move. Move down, move up, move down. It's oversold again. This is at a 9. Great time to buy. Looks like a double bottom. This. Yeah, a reverse here, like an umbrella. And then we get back up. So that looks pretty good there. There's Ping had the good run up there. Look at Redfin. Jesus. That little hammer right here on like the 9th, and look at this. This took off. Unbelievable. Root's doing nothing. AEP might try to come up here. Bloomin' Brands is on fire. There's a CATB. Now here's another one. See the gap? Yeah, where's it gonna go? It's going up. Yeah, it's a big sell candle right there. Then even worse one next handle. Codex is gonna come up and test that line again, like 15. Top's coming back, very oversold. GBT trying to come up. All right, so you can see some of them swing plays. Yeah, been on fire. Some of them made a big move, then they crashed down. Yeah, a lot of them have these moves. When the market goes down, and then you eventually start to goes up again, like it's on fire, 318 today. It's going to be hard to get swings too. If the market continuously is up, there's nothing to swing if everything's up. Now, individual stocks, earnings and all that, different things that might happen. Yeah, that's different. But, there you can see it. All right, so that's it for today. A little quick video. Let me see Sol. Yeah, Sol's moving up again today. Not great volume, but. All right, please subscribe and like the channel. We are out for now. Peace.